अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ़ाद भाई. तो what are your plans for the day?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. बस हज़रत लगे हुए हैं कामों में and I think most probably we're going to do a site visit today and show you the new project that's coming up.
Can you tell us a bit more about the project?
Come, why don't I just show you just around the corner? I want to talk about how हमारे यहाँ रियल एस्टेट में पीपल थिंक कि बस जी ज़मीन ले ली और सरिया डाल दिया और बस बिल्डिंग खड़ी कर दी. I think this is what it should not be, and research based developmental projects, that's the need of the hour. And I think यही वो चीज़ है that gave us so much success in Nathia Gali कि we went there, we understood the market, we did our research, we tried to find out कि भाई missing क्या चीज़ है and how can we create a product that's completely missing from the market लेकिन at the same time is something that the people really want. उसी research based approach को लेकर आए हैं to the heart of Lahore, into downtown Lahore on the main boulevard. We have tried to understand कि यार गुलबर्ग main boulevard पे तो अब सैकड़ों बिल्डिंग हैं, यहाँ पे किस चीज़ की कमी है, what exactly it is that people want, or that's what Serene Heights Lahore is going to be all about. So coming from Hussain Chowk on the Noor Jahan Road, heading towards the iconic Liberty Roundabout, all you need to do is take this one left turn towards the iconic Kalma Chowk, and here on your left, right in the center of the two icons of Lahore, is Serene Heights Lahore. So as you can see, work has already started because I think real estate के अंदर सबसे important चीज़ होती है ROI, and ROI के अंदर जो denominator होता है ना वो time का होता है. So the quicker you get your delivery, the better your ROI is automatically going to be. It's basic maths. Mark my words, this is going to be a game-changing project. So for me, the biggest pain point when doing our research on the main boulevard in Gulberg वो ये था कि इतनी ज़्यादा buildings हैं. There are so many buildings that are empty और I would call them haunted buildings. आबाद नहीं हो सकी वो buildings. जितनी हमने research की उसके अंदर ये सामने आया, it was just the lack of optimum parking. That's it. Can you imagine? अरबों रुपए की investment है और सिर्फ इसलिए building या project fail कर गया because the amount of parking that was provided was not optimum for that kind of project. So the first thing that we set out to fix is that there's going to be ample parking. Even the department जितनी parking हमारे से चाहता है हमने उससे भी 2 गुना extra parking दी है. Because for us the success of the project is primary, everything else is secondary. Parking का जब भी हम सोचते हैं तो we think of basements कि भाई parking तो basement में ही आएगी. And that is what we are going to change. So this is where research meets innovation. We don't have a single basement because basement in my opinion is a sunk cost. But there's going to be ample parking, and that's where I'm going to leave it for today. Because हर चीज़ आज नहीं बतानी, कुछ आपको करके भी दिखाएंगे इंशाल्लाह. Your trust and confidence in our work has brought us to this point, and we are going to continue to build on that. So just like our other projects, everything is documented from day one with date stamps. So consider this as day one for Serene Heights Lahore, and we will take you through this journey as we make sure that this project is delivered on time as committed from day one.